half a cup cashews soaked in water overnight, nice and fluffy and soft. Going to grind them now. It's been 8 hours and look at that, it's fermented. It's completely fermented. So now I'm gonna slowly transfer this into this net and hopefully remove whatever excess liquid is there in this. This is good to go as is, like a cream cheese, but I just want to try and see if I can make it slightly different. So there you go, I've transferred everything into my sieve. Now look at that, there's water dripping from it. I'm going to leave it like this in the fridge because this is fermented very well. I'm going to leave that in the fridge, and this is for our taste. Look at that, it's quite creamy. I tasted the plain one, it tastes quite cheesy. Now let's add some flavoring to this. So I'm mixing 1/4 spoon salt and 1/4 spoon chili flakes into this. Let's give it a mix. There you have it. You have your non-dairy cheese dip ready. Put it in your salad, put it in, use it like a dip. Tastes great, and with the chili flakes and salt, it absolutely tastes yummy. So you could consider this done and stop at that, or you could do what I'm doing. So let some more water come out of it and then try to make it a little more thicker so that it lasts a bit longer. I'm sprinkling some salt on top. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge.